Today, we will be showing you how to use the Simpson 505 high voltage insulation tester to check the insulation integrity of a motor. First, it is imperative to make sure that the AC phase wires that run from your VFD to your motor are properly insulated from the ground wire. As you can see, we have 4 wires: white, black, and red, which are the 3 phase wires, and this green wire is our ground wire. You will attach your negative lead clamp to the green ground wire and the positive lead clamp to the red wire to get your reading. Now that the wires are clamped, you will want to select the ohm option and then select the 500 volt range for our test. This turns on the output and shows us an infinite reading, which tells us that there is a very high resistance and exceptional insulation. Next, we will test at 1000 volts, and as you can see on the meter, it has excellent insulation integrity and is holding over 100 megohms of insulation. Typically, most VFDs cannot tolerate less than 10 megohms of insulation. At 1 megohm, most drives will fault. You will want to have readings of 10 megohms or better, with 100 megohms the most typical reading you will have. This helps prevent any nuisances or ground faults with the motor. It is important to test the remaining phase wires. Even though they should produce similar ranges, you still always want to make sure. As you can tell, by getting the readings from the white wire and black wire, you can see that all 3 phases are within the same range and show that this motor has fantastic voltage insulation. For more information on the Simpson 505 high voltage insulation tester and for more how-tos, visit us at galco.com.